Hello everyone, today we are going to continue to learn about the Linux terminal command. This is the second part of the playlist. In the first part I used Fedora 33 workstation, but today I am using the Fedora 33 Cinamon. Why I use Cinamon? Because today we are going to learn about the su command, and this command needs a super user or root login. If you use another version of the Fedora like Fedora 33 workstation and want to practice this tutorial, you can see my another tutorial about how to remove the sudo function in your Fedora 33, and after that you can follow this tutorial. You can see on your top right of your screen there's a card. You can click that card and you can go to my tutorial about how to remove the sudo function. Let's start. Open your terminal. Nowadays you will see the sudo command mostly rather than the su command, and maybe you don't need this su command anymore because with sudo you can do things like the root. If you curious about why I still make this tutorial, why I still use this command, su command, that is because I don't like the sudo function. For me, sudo function is not good. I don't like the sudo because the sudo function will make me confused about who am I mean like what privilege that I have for my user. Okay, enough for the story, and we will start. You can see here that I am Gunawan. This is my user that I'm using, and you can see this part that I'm just an ordinary user. After I input this command, I will be the root. You can see this part, it's different than before. You can see here that I already switched to root user. This command is useful if your account that you are using has no access to do something, and so you need to change the privilege to the root without logout from the system. Root is the Linux account that can do everything in your system. I will type exit, so I will have privilege as an ordinary user. Who am I? You can see here that I am Gunawan, and after I execute this command, I am a root. So what can I do with this privilege? We will see what can I do. I will go to the etc and edit a file in yum.repos.d. I'm sorry, I mean I will copy a file from this directory. Oops. You can see here that my user cannot execute this command because I don't have permission with this user. When I switch to root, you can see here that this command can be executed with the root user. Another example, if we want to install something, env install GNOME Twix. You can see here that this command has to be run with the super user privilege. So if you use an ordinary user, you cannot install anything. If we switch to the root user, we can execute this command, the install command, with root user. The installation failed. I think this is because my internet is not good. Please forgive me, guys. With root user, you can manage your system by using this root user. Okay everyone, this is the end of this tutorial. I don't want to make a long duration video, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.